So y'all, I'm about to make a low point meal. We got some jumbo shrimp that I'm gonna saute in the skillet, as well as pepper and onion blend that will be sauteed in the skillet. This is going to be like a little fajita wrap situation or whatever, but the points are going to be relatively low. We're basically going to be just counting the tortilla, the flour tortilla, and the sour cream that we will be using. So let's get into it. Okay, we got the shrimp in the skillet and it's about to get active. The skillet is warming up right now. We got over here our onion and pepper blend. Obviously, it's still frozen, but it's about to get active too. All right, our shrimp are done. I didn't drain them because, you know, they were originally frozen, so they had like a lot of water drainage off of them, obviously. So I drained them, and now we about to come in with some fajita seasoning mix. Period. This is gonna be so good, y'all. And I am going to use probably about a little over half, because I want to put some of it on my vegetables too. I want to put some of it on my vegetables. We got the pepper onion blend over here cooking up. Y'all see all that water because they were frozen? Yeah, I don't like that. I'm going to drain that off, period. We don't do that. We don't do that. We don't like no water down, nothing. We don't like nothing to take no flavor away from it, baby. So definitely finna drain them. And then put the rest of the seasoning from that fajita packet on there. Look, y'all, I just want to show y'all how much water. Oh my goodness, yeah. We finna drain it. Drained off now. And I'm gonna just throw the rest of this seasoning on up in there, honey. But our shrimp are good. They're doing real good. They is, woo, they're looking good. And I did decide that I am gonna put some of this, I am gonna do some of the no salt Tonys on there. I be liking y'all. Now, I am a heavy seasoner because I likes flavor. I like seasonings. I likes flavor. I don't like no bland food now. I don't like no bland food. Now, I don't want no salty food either. But I don't want no bland food. It's no salt, so not too much on me for coming in with so much of this seasoning. So y'all, in this same pan with the sauce and seasoning, all of that, I'm gonna plop one of them, plop one of these up in here and just warm it up a little bit, you know? Warm it up a little bit. Because who wants a stiff shell, right? Who wants a stiff shell? So we're gonna warm that up in there. It's gonna get some of that seasoning on there too, honey. We're gonna go ahead and start plating this up, honey. We got our tortilla shells, our soft tortilla shells. Here we got our shrimp and shrimp. Looking good, looking great. Oh my God. These shrimp are 0 points, okay? So let's talk about it. I'm probably gonna put like 4 or 5 on each one. I am eating 3 of these. Y'all, the shells are 2 points a piece. 2 points a piece, so that's not bad. I think the normal shell was like $5 or $6. I don't know. It was kind of expensive. Okay, it was kind of expensive. And we got our vegetable. We're gonna go in with some of that right there. Period. Yeah, I'm dropping stuff and stuff. It is what it is, child. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. This plate is currently 6 points right off the rip. But I got to have some sour cream, and I don't have any low-fat sour cream or fat-free sour cream, so I'm using regular old Daisy's. Okay, regular old Daisy. And she get expensive. She get real deal expensive. If you were doing this with fat-free sour cream, then this would be a nice little 7-point plate. A nice 7-point plate. And you see how much food this is? This is a good amount of food. But since I added the sour cream, that's about 9 more. But you know how to do this now. So if you are interested in doing this, just make sure that you get the fat-free sour cream, and then boom, it's a nice little 7-point plate. Make sure that you get the low-carb tortilla shells, and you in there. All right, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.